Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about emailing lists and why it's not a good idea to subscribe someone without consent. So basically, if you subscribe somebody without consent to an emailing list, there are many data protection laws. In the UK we have GDPR, in Europe there's data protection laws, and in the US there are data protection laws as well, and a lot of these prevent you from adding someone without their consent to your emailing list. So when it comes down to it, it is not good to breach the law. It can get you in a lot of trouble, regardless of what country you're in, so it's something that you really generally shouldn't do. Now, think of it like this. If you've ever received an email from a company, and believe it or not, I get this from a lot of marketing companies. I get emails from marketing companies saying, hey, you should check out our marketing company. We can do this service for you. And I think to myself, you've just subscribed me. There's an unsubscribe at the bottom. You just subscribed me to your email list. You think I'm going to trust you to handle my marketing when you can't even follow the basic law? Oh my God, these people grind my gears. So what happens is that email gets screenshotted. I'm such a Karen, darling. It gets screenshotted and it gets posted on their Google reviews with a 1-star saying, this company subscribed me without consent to an emailing list. They're in breach of the law. They're not someone that can do your marketing. And they won't be able to get that removed because that's an actual experience. I have proof of that experience and it's gone right up on Google. So the thing is, if you are dealing with Karens like myself, and I'm such a fabulous Karen, darling, if you're dealing with that kind of company, you're not going to have a positive response from people. And I'm the worst kind of customer these people can get. However, you know, there are other people who will just be upset. So if you're subscribing people to an emailing list, they have to consent to it. Have your own specific capture page that says, if you do this, you subscribe to our emailing list. Be very, very open about it. Because it is better to have 10 to 20 people who give you an 80% plus open rate on your emails and 1 or 2 of them buy something from you every single month. It's better to have that than to have a million billion people on your emailing list and nobody ever in a million years will buy from you, and you've got a no percent open rate and you're paying all that money to keep all of these emails in your database. Really, really bad. Anyway, rant over. You have a lovely day, and if anyone likes my Karen, anyway, you have a good one. Take care. Bye.